Namaste. Hope you all keeping fine. Today I'll show how to make a tomato pickle without adding any artificial preservatives. Earlier in one of my videos I had shown how to make a tomato pickle in one particular style. I'll just give the link in the description box. You can just have a look at it in case you are interested. So for this particular achar, let us have a look at the ingredients. So here I have taken tomatoes around 2 kilo. Here just I had cut some tomatoes after washing it. It is just kept as a sample, that's all. And then the other ingredients that we need are tamarind. Here I had taken a amla size. You can see a amla size tamarind. And then we need some mustard seeds. This 1 teaspoon will do. And then we need salt. We require around 4 tablespoons of salt. And then we need chili powder. Here I will be taking around 4 tablespoons of chili powder. Then we require haldi, and for haldi we just need 1 teaspoon, that's all. Then we need asafoetida, that is hing or kayam. We need around 1 teaspoon. And then fenugreek, that is methi. Again we need 1 teaspoon. Both of these are first roasted and then powdered. And then we need some gingerly oil. Here I will be taking around 150 ml of gingerly oil. Here the natural preservatives that we are using are just gingerly oil, chili powder and salt. So make sure that the gingerly oil, it covers the entire pickle, because it should be just above the level of the pickle, because that is the ingredient that will prevent your achar from getting spoiled. And the next important thing is the salt. If you find that the salt is less, again there is a tendency for your pickle to become bad. So make sure that you use it quite liberally, according to taste. Of course, the salt, chili, everything depends from person to person, because it also depends on the tomatoes, how juicy it is and all that. So this I have just given an andas. You can use your own experience while doing all this. So now let us get on to the procedure part. So for this, as I told you, I have cut down the tomatoes into pieces like this. So I'll just take a bucket. It's a plastic bucket. You can even go in for a glass vase, vase like this. And then you put the entire 2 kilo tomatoes into this particular bucket after cutting it. Then you have to take this tamarind, you have to shred it and then put it on the top of the tomatoes. Then you have to put the haldi into it, and then the required amount of salt. And then you have to cover it, and by the next day you will find that the tomatoes are covered with the juice. The tomato reacts with the salt, tamarind and all that, and you will have plenty of lot of juice over there, and you will find that these tomatoes are immersed in that. Now what you have to do is, you have to take a ladle like this, which is full of holes. You have to take the tomato, just the tomato pieces like this, and then you have to take a tray, you have to take a plate like this, just put a plastic cover and take out the tomato pieces and spread it on the plate. And now what you have to do is, you have to keep it for drying in the sun. So this is the second day process. Then by evening you bring those tomato pieces back and put it into the juice. You have to again the next day you take the tomato pieces, just the tomato pieces like that, keep it in the sun by keeping it in the plate, and then by evening time you bring it and keep it back into the bucket. Now when you repeat the process by maybe 4th day or 5th day, you will find that these tomato pieces they have almost become dry, not exactly dry, it becomes some mushy type, paste sort of thing. But then make sure that your tomatoes are not very dry, because the next process that we are going to do is making a paste of this tomato with the skin and with the seeds. You don't have to remove the skin or the seeds, just make a paste of the tomatoes without using any water, of course. And then I'll just show you how it will look like. So you can see that it looks something like this. So that's what I told, this should hold just enough water so that we can make a paste without adding any water to it, right? So now we'll start off with our next procedure. That is, from now on the procedure is exactly the same, just as we make any other pickle. So till now I have told you the quantity, every ingredients quantity is for the 2 kilo of tomatoes. But now, since I have only kept this amount of paste to show you how this finished look will be, finished pickle will look like, I will be going in for the quantities that are required for this particular quantity of tomato paste. So first, I kept a pan ready. This I have taken 5 tablespoons of oil. This is for this particular quantity. The other one I have told you it is around 150 ml. So I have shown you it is around 150 ml for the 2 kilo of tomatoes. So this I will be pouring into this. So now the oil is hot. I will be putting the mustard seeds. So you can see that the mustards are fluttered. I will just keep it off. I will just allow it to rest for some time, and then I will be adding the rest of the ingredients. Now for this I will be putting around 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, a pinch of this methi powder, a pinch of this hing powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt. I'll just give it a mix. Now I'm again putting the gas on, and then into this I will be putting this tomato paste. And our tomato achar is ready. So this achar, if you make it this way, it stays good for more than 6 months, even without keeping it in a fridge. But then you have to make sure that the salt and the oil should be good enough to cover the tomatoes, because as I told you, this oil it works as a natural preservative and it prevents the pickle from being spoiled. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. I'll be coming with similar videos very soon. You just give it a try and let me know how it was in the comment section, and in case you have any queries, you can just get back to me in the comment section. I'll try to answer your queries personally. So before winding up, I would like to I would request you to please support me with your likes, shares and subscriptions. Till my next video, it is Tata bye bye from me. Take care and have a nice day.